Do you need to extract a specific value from a large dataset in Excel? The DGET function makes it effortless. With just a simple formula, you can retrieve precise information based on criteria, whether it's finding the price of a product or the stock of an item. Let's dive in and see how it works.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have the data in which I have products, category, price and the stock available. And I want to search across this data using the name of the product. So on the right you can see that I have a subtable where I want to get the data from this dataset. For this purpose, first I will write the name of any product in this F2 cell. So for example, I will write table. And now in this G2 cell, I will write the formula that is equal DGET. First, I have to provide the database. So I will select this table. And one thing to notice is that I have also selected the header of my table. And another important thing is to log this database. So for this purpose, I will press F4. So now you can see that my selection is logged. After this, I will provide comma, and next thing is the field. Field is actually the thing that I will search from this data, and you can see that I am typing the formula in category. So it's mean I want to extract the data from this category section. So I will select this header from the database and I will leave it dynamic. After this, I will put comma, and the next thing is the criteria. And because I want to search across this data using the product name, so I will select this F1 and F2 cell in which I will write the name of the product. And important thing is that you notice that I have selected the header as well as the cell in which I will write the name of the product, and I will also lock it by pressing the F4 key. After providing this information, I will close the parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see that it is extracting the category of the product from this database. The next thing is that I will put my cursor on the bottom right corner of this cell and I will drag it to the right, and everything is being extracted for this product from this database. So now if I change the name of the product from table to laptop, you can see that it is giving the category, price and stock from this database. And that's how you use the DGET function to extract specific data effortlessly in Excel. Try it in your own spreadsheet and see the magic happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next tutorial.